Hi guys, today's video I'm going to play again. What? Okay, I don't know. So they already started it. Let me choose my gun equip and then let me deploy myself. So they are coming in that way. They all are coming in that way. That way, that way, that way, that way. Oh, let me choose one more gun. So my goal is to get 6,000 and then buy one new gun. Okay. They are coming in a way of dark. So let me go and kill them dark. Put them out. Put them out. Put on their face. Put on their face. Yes. After a lot of days I am rocking in this game. So I think so they have been getting allotted. No, they will never be getting allotted. They're just killing a lot of members, I think so. Okay, they are coming. I think so. Okay, let's buy one dog. So let me put them out on. Okay.
I will choose Super Psychic. His superpower is telekinesis, so you can take out your enemies in a lot of creative ways by just throwing them around or throwing objects at them. And I want Super Brush, who can bring drawings to life as powerful weapons. And I think I want Super Sharp, capable of cutting through pretty much anything. Download the Superhero League now and create your ultimate super team.
I don't want the superhero leg. What? Why is he punching the woman? And then he is just see it like that. Like that. Okay, 4 more kills for the turret. But I don't know why my skin is fully laggy. Why I don't know. Okay, there is a lot of numbers. I mean a lot of memory. They all are coming in that way. So there will be nobody in this way. Okay, everybody is trying to go in that way. What, I cannot aim and shoot them on. Ouch. So I just wanted 6,000 for this. I
will choose Super Psychic. His superpower is telekinesis, so you can take out your enemies in a lot of creative ways by just throwing them around or throwing up.
Again, he's just like, wow, see the snowball in the sky. It's so beautiful. He's like, oh, snowman, get out of my way, snowman, you snowman. Like that boy. Defender. Okay. So nobody cannot come in this way because I have put my turret in the way. Gotcha. So nobody that is. They have put 2 boys. Okay. Nobody? Okay. Yeah. They want 35 kills. So nobody coming in this way? I think so. Okay, let me turn and go in the down. So that place is being captured. That place is not even captured by nobody. So need to put your. So there one boy has this. What?
Nice.
Yeah, they're 190 kills and we are just 30 kills. So I need to put him on. Put him on. Put on their face. What? The chef. I will not leave you. You the chef. Put them up. Put them up. Put on their face. Put them up. Put on their face. Don't go that way. You will be dying. No, don't go. You will be dying. 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 This is why they will be telling ஆறும் தெரியாம கால் எடுக்கக்கூடாது இந்த வழியில் போன எவ்வளோ ஆறுன்னு தெரியாம இருக்கு. They don't know that how much long is it. I'm 25 kills. That boy in the second is 24 kills. So I will be putting one more boy. 6, 27, 20, 28, 29, 30, 31, 31 only. Okay. Nobody in the door. Nobody in the door. Nobody cannot come in this way. Nobody cannot come in this way. Wow, one more ad. Present hold. Go. I don't skip. That boy is like, I cannot do what it. I cannot do what it. Like that. CTF? Something different. Sea painting, I don't know that. And CTF means capture the what? Something. The CTF of? In the first picture, oh, CTF means this map. What? I cannot do anything to them. They are in a group. You group the group of the group. Something Glenn. Something happened. I don't want this kind of thing. Okay. Something happened here. Really cringe. Just give it no wrong. So let me try to what? He just fought on me? Oh, Daddy fought on me? Okay, first step. go to one top place. Go to the bottom left. So I can see everything in this. Okay, from this place, if anybody get to that place, okay, it will just tell me where are the enemy boys here. Okay, put them out there, put them out there, put them out there, put them out there. See, come on, fast. You need to go fast and then get out. Ouch. Keyboard. Idle breaker. I don't want to break anything because I am a law follower. Loot and survive. Loot? Lol? No. I will not be looting a looty pool. At home. Okay. So boys are coming in a way of that. So I will be shooting at the base of that. Nobody in the door, nobody in this way. Coming your way, in the way. Put them out here, put them out here, put them out here, put them out here. So 30 kills I am. Down is 30 kills, 14, 15. Okay, I am now. Okay. Yes, go. Nobody can take this flag from me. Yes, put them out here, boy. Thank you. Oh. Okay. There, 1 kills. I don't know this. I don't like imposter game. So they are coming away of that. Nobody's coming away of these. Because I am the boss of the D's of the boss. You know that boss? Boss? Hey boss, I am the boss, you boss, boss. Boss, you boss, you boss, you boss, you. Okay. Time to go. Okay. So let's go the way after that one. Okay. I cannot do it. build a superhero team. I don't want a superhero also. Because I'm already a superhero in this game of the game. Okay. Ghost, very good. So they will be coming away after dot. What the? Okay. Put them out instead. Okay, 16 minutes. Okay, that's it. Okay, I will go to this. Okay, I am actually finishing this video. But thanks for the screen recorder app. Because this screen recorder is having just trouble. I don't want 8 to 3.
Kill them, buddy.
Is that for me? I feel nothing.
Lose it.
Mama! No. We need to talk.
Mega kill.
I don't know. Kill the buddy, not kill the buddy. But they can do anything to kill the buddy, but they will not be there. So thank you guys. So I just got a little bit of resources in this. Oh no, in this game nobody cannot survive. Oh, this is flamethrower gun. This is a katana. Just a banana. So thanks guys. So I will be ending this video. So in my next video I will be unlocking the gun. Oh, something different. This gun actually. So what's that screen recorder? So thank you guys. So I will be ending this video.